Is it possible to connect the MIWE Roll-In to the MIWE Smart Baking Suite, or SBS for short? Of course it is. Monitoring your ovens, controlling the baking programs, reading out the ovens and viewing the logs is possible from your office thanks to MIWE SBS. Let's have a look at how this is set up. To network your MIWE Roll-In with the MIWE SBS, we have to do a couple of things. Please go to Settings and Network. You can see from the control panel that we are already networked with our oven. Of course, you now need to enter the correct gateway and IP addresses to connect to your system. Both your IT staff and our experts will be happy to assist you.